Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Loom. We're revisiting an old friend because Loom is rallying again. Yesterday it was already pretty strong, to be honest. I mean, you can see it right here. It was already testing that 100 and a 200 EMA, which was the end of Loom, the 29th of October. But it was testing those levels again, and then after after all of those longs were liquidated, that the liquidity was grabbed. Loom actually did very well, and right now is still doing well. And I know a lot of you have been trading Loom, have been holding Loom. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation for Loom, what's possible from here. What's going on, why is it bullish, hopefully everything you need to know. All right, so that is what we'll do. Nothing before we get into that. Let's just get into that. So here you can see the open interest. The open interest is actually pretty fascinating, I would say, because the open interest was not even that high. Like the open interest was pretty stable over the last week. It increased a little bit here from 28 million up to like 32 million, which is like an increase of like 15%. So that's good, but that really isn't an indication of a rally coming. And then yesterday, the open interest right here, after all of these positions got closed, increased massively, and it's still very bullish. Volume is also still going up. So Loom right now is just bullish. There's at least on the short term, like if you zoom out enough, it's still bearish. And I don't think it will get back up to these levels. I don't. This is somewhat of a second rally. Like this was a huge manipulated rally. Sometimes what happens with these cryptos is they rally again, but they rarely, like in like 5 to 10%, rally up higher. And for Loom, that would be from this area, that would be a rally of a couple of 100%. 200% up to this top right here, and then up to the spike it's about 250. I don't see that happening. I do think Loom can continue to be bullish, but I don't see it rallying all the way up to those previous highs. So now the big question is how will it react to the level it reacted to the 29th of October, between 14.5 and 15 cents? And given the current market circumstances, with that open interest, which is pretty strong, I would say it's most likely, like Loom is trying to break above this level between 13 and 13.5 cents. So I would say it's most likely that Loom will find resistance at 14.5 and 15 cents, but then is able to hold 13.5 and 13 cents. It also needs to, all right? If it holds this, then that's bullish confirmation. And then I see no reason why Loom would not rally up to this level right here at 17 cents. And potentially, depending on how it reacts to 17 cents, it could also still rally up higher to 18.5, perhaps even 20. Like that's all realistic. That's all a possibility. But the key is, after finding resistance here, well, either break above 15 cents. If it breaks above 15 cents, it all doesn't matter. Like it will get up to those levels. But I expect a bit of a resistance there. From that resistance, if it holds 13.5 cents, it's fine. If it finds support there and it breaks and it starts going up to 15 cents again, 15 cents will probably break and we'll get up to 17 and then potentially 18.5 and then potentially 20 cents. And I would say, given the circumstances, given the price structure right now, that is the most likely scenario. But if you want to trade this, I would wait for confirmation of either 15 cents breaking or Loom holding 13.5 cents and finding support and finding momentum from there again. Because if it doesn't, and we've seen that before, if Loom is not from that resistance able to hold 13.5 cents, it's just going to drop back down. It's just going to drop back down to 10 cents. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Those are my thoughts. That's my analysis on Loom for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, I also have my own Signals and Premium group. Links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. If you want to become a better trader and make some profits, consider joining that. It's up to you, but then you at least know it's there. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.